Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for y'all. It's late. It's noon. I had to do the laundromat duties this morning, and so I'm barely getting out right now. The deals are so slow. However, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I'm Shay with the pow. Take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure to smash like button, support your girl, and of course, don't forget to hype your girl up as well. So listen, I need 15 offers for $5. We also have a larger bonus. I think I need 50 for that. I'll pop up what I got. Let me know in the comments what did you guys get. Y'all, my app is still screwed up. Like, I have offers clipped on my for under Walmart, and none of them are on my list. Well, at least the ones that I want to do. So I mentioned this in my last video that I have offers. Like, when you do an offer, obviously it's no longer on your offers page, but it's not coming off, so it's still there clipped, almost like it's locked into a clip status, so that way it doesn't reset. And I'm so irked about it. I've logged in, logged out, or logged out, logged in. I've uninstalled the app, reinstalled the app, nothing's working. And so I can't do any of the Wick or the razors, which suck, because that would definitely make things a lot easier when it comes to hitting my my bonus. And so as far as today, I have a list I literally like just put together. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't even know if I'm gonna do any of these deals, to be honest. But I did want to mention, I did put a video up a few days ago as far as Be Frugal basically changing their conversion. And so it's been where the longer that you wait to cash out, the more of an incentive. And there is an incentive. I don't want to make it sound like there's no flipping incentive, because there's obviously some type of incentive to wait. It's just not as much. And so it used to be where, well, as of May 1st, it's going to change from cashing out for 100, getting back 125, to cashing out for 100, getting back 112. So there is still an incentive, not as great an incentive, obviously. And of course, there's an incentive compared to the other apps because they don't have none, right? And I get that. At the same time, we got to wait 15 days to cash out. So it's like, how much is the incentive really worth it? All the other apps. And I really hope that Be Frugal switches over to allowing us to cash out as frequently as the other sister apps, because I think for a lot of us, that is probably the determining factor whether or not you use the app or not, is the fact that we do have to wait 2 weeks just to cash out. And so with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you're going to hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up. All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the update energy drinks. I barely found two, like only found two. These are priced at $2.58. We're grabbing two of them. That total is going to come to $5.16. We'll get back a buy one get one free offer for Iowa. I'll have a link. I'll pin a comment for the link, and then 50 cents for each on Ibotta. Would make these only 79 cents each. And I'm actually kind of curious to try these, and so yeah. All right. And so next up is the Splash Water, priced at $2.68, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. Would make it $1.18. I did see somebody post on Instagram that there was dollar peelies. I don't see any, but if you can find them, it would be an even better deal. All right, so this next deal is on the Milk 50. Looks like the chocolate is a little cheaper. It's $3.77, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. We'll bring that down to $1.27 with a limit of 5. So next up is the Parcel. It's priced at $5.44. For this, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of them, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. There's also a 15-cent any offer as well, and then $2.08 on Be Frugal, bringing this down to only 71 cents. All right, so this deal here is on the Snuggle scent boosters. They're priced at $5.97, getting back $1.50 for Walmart rewards since my offer is locked on Ibotta. $1 on Fetch. That offer is a spend 5, get back 1, and I am tracking for that, so I'll get that $1 back, plus $1.95 on Be Frugal, bringing this down to $1.52. All right, y'all. So this next deal here is on the Wick. It's on the 2-count oils. They're priced at $5.98. Now for this, I am still using this $4 coupon. It is no longer available, so you have to get it from an IP Ferry. I'll pop mines up for you. So for this, you're gonna grab one at $5.98. $4 coupon will bring it down to $1.98. Getting back $1 on Ibotta will make that only 98 cents. With a limit of 5. Of course, Walmart's limit on coupons is limit of 4, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab 4. That's the thing I don't really like about coming so late in the day, because it's like everything's always such a mess. Yeah, I told you I got OCD tendencies, so I'll be trying to fix stuff just so it don't look so messy. One of you guys recently asked if this coupon is still working, and it is. Let me show you the other one I have. This one right here, it also works as well on the starter kits, so they both work. I did try in my last video, I think maybe 2 videos ago, I tried doing 4 of one coupon, 1 of the other, and the 5th one still didn't scan. So grabbing one at $3.97, $3 coupon, you'll pay 97 cents, getting back $1.25 on Ibotta will bring that down to 28 cents each, with limit of 5 or limit of 4. Okay, and then there's also this one here. On the device, priced at $7.48, $5 coupon will bring it down to $2.48, getting back to on Ibotta would make that 48 cents with a limit of 4 light coupons. So yeah. Last but not least is the Nexus. These little packs are priced at $4.97. We have an offer on Ibotta for $4. I believe the limit on this is a limit of 5, making it only 97 cents. All right, y'all, so here is my complete haul for today. It's so small, but look, I did what I did. I made it work. I almost skipped out. I'm not even going front, like, cause I was just like, the deals are just not really there. But I really want to do the water deal, and I really want to do that energy drink deal as well. And so as far as this, I only did 1 transaction. I went to self-checkout. All the coupons that I used today, they all scanned. Let me show you my one little receipt real quick. Focus, man. Okay, so there goes my receipt. As you can see, everything's scanned, which is cool. I did want to mention the Splash. Amy sent me a link for B of A for $1 back. It's supposed to go to PayPal. I'm not sure how long it's going to take, so it does make that deal just a little cheaper. I almost got 5 6-packs, to be honest, but I said, we'll just get 4. If it well, I'm pretty sure my offers are going to stay locked, and it's probably not going to reset, so maybe I should have just grabbed 5. But we didn't. We grabbed 4, and so there goes my receipt. So I'm going to try to breeze through this really, really quick. Everything you see here retails $67.68. We had $31 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $36.68. Our sales tax was $5.04. And then we should be getting back $24.65 from Ibotta, $2.58 from Aisle. Be Frugal is $2.08. And then the B of A offer is $1. Getting back $30.31 nets everything you see here at $6.37, are only 45 cents per item, which is pretty cool. And so with that being said, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I hope you guys are having a beautiful, beautiful day. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. If you make it to the end, I want to see a great payment in the comments. And I'll see you